Hello everyone, my name is Ervina Putri and I will mention 10 jobs entitled dots. Let's see the video. 1. Doctor, treat patient and conducts medical examination. 2. Teacher, teach student and product subject matter. 3. Pilots operates the airplane and ensures passenger safety. 4. Designs buildings and houses. 5. Dentist, treats dental problems. Chef, making food for others, usually in a restaurant or cafe. 7. Accountant, manages and care company finance. 8. Singer, entertaining by singing songs. 9. Writer, creating works such as articles, books, or stories. 10. Artist, creating works of art such as a painting, sculpture, or statues.